sobrang laking challenge talaga today because sa start talaga ng game, para rin talaga ako nawawala. Sorry talaga, coach. Pero andun yung effort, pero hindi talaga makakonvert. But andun nga, sabi talaga ni coach, kung saan ka talaga makaka-contribute in whatever way you can, whether it's a serve, a dig, or a block. Talagang kailangan, bigay mo lang talaga yung best mo for the team. And yun lang talaga yung focus ko kanina. Kahit kulang, basta nandun yung puso talaga for the team. And I was just able to help siguro by talking, kahit motivating lang talaga, and just reminding everyone that this is a do or die game, and this is a game for the finals, and we just really have to have faith in each other, and hindi na dapat talaga mawawala yung tiwala namin din talaga kay God. Kasi grabe din talaga yung pinagdaanan namin today.